Are you monitoring your health based on assumptions? Did you know that there are 5 indicators to help monitor your health? 1. Heart rate. Heart rate is an important indicator for a healthy body. When you have a fever, your heart rate will be higher than usual. 2. Respiratory rate. A respiratory rate that is too high or too low is not ideal. Count the number of breaths you take per minute. Is it in the normal range? 3. Blood oxygen saturation. It's not only about your respiratory rate. It's important that there is sufficient oxygen in your blood. Fill your lungs with oxygen. 4. Sleep monitoring. Besides having sufficient oxygen levels, your body needs enough rest for better health. It is your body's first line of defense against any illness. Track your sleep quality and duration to see if it's in the healthy range. 5. Stress monitoring. Take it easy. Try not to let mental stress affect your physical health. Let's check your stress levels. Do not assume your health status. Track and monitor your health with Garmin.